Welcome back. The Buffalo Niagara Medical Campus is partnering with local wellness organizations to bring our community better resources for their health. And I'm joined now by members of their team. Welcome, Elizabeth and Purnima. Thank you so much for joining me.
Thanks for having us. We're excited to be here.
Well, I'd like you to start off by talking about the Health and Wellbeing Department and everything that you do for our community.
Sure, yeah. So at BNMC Health and Wellbeing, our mission is to make healthy living easy, accessible, and sustainable for everyone, especially people that need it most. So we envision a community where everyone thrives. We want everyone to get to a healthy 90, but we know that that's not the case right now in Western New York.
Right.
We know that 90% of people are not eating enough protective foods, like fruits and vegetables. We know the leading cause of death, disease, and disability is heart disease. And so we are on a mission to change that.
Okay, let's talk about your partnership with local organizations and how that helps you with your mission.
Yep, so we actually just had a 40 Days to Wellness program where we partnered with a lot of organizations. Highmark was the funder for that program that we just had. It was a 6-week program where we provided medically tailored meals, mindfulness workshops. We also had cooking classes in person and also a program called Diet ID where they were able to log in their daily meals. And for 6 weeks, we had 108 participants go through the program.
Wow.
So we'd like to thank Highmark for that. And we also worked with restaurants like Osteria. We worked with Urban Fruits and Veggies. We had the Mindful Institute. We had Diet ID, like I mentioned, and we're working with CCNY for our data analysis. So a lot of partners in the community. We also work with the Independent Health Foundation for our Healthy Restaurant Week that is coming up in March.
Yes, let's talk about programs like the Healthy Restaurant Week and how you're able to bring that to the community.
So that was actually a result of one of our first Food as Medicine symposiums. And basically, we need more of the good. Like, we're not eating enough fruits and vegetables as a community, and these are foods that protect us against disease and also make us feel better. And so it's not just something you think about when you go to the doctor once a year. This is something that we need to do all the time. And so by working with as many partners as possible, getting as many restaurants to make more of the good foods accessible in every corner of the community, that's how we make Food as Medicine happen. So it's getting the dietitians involved, working with their menus. We work with Independent Health Foundation to make sure that there's a healthy menu in every corner and community in Western New York.
Tell us more about the Food as Medicine Symposium and what makes it so special.
Yeah, this is exciting. It's coming up on October 18th and 19th at the Jacobs School of Medicine. We have farm tours planned. We have a networking session. We have cooking classes for parents and children. We're going to talk about the medically tailored program, meal program at Evergreen Health. We also have a ton of speakers locally and who are joining us nationally for the symposium. A lot of panel discussions on culturally responsive meals, culinary medicine, innovation with entrepreneurs on how they're contributing to the health and well-being arena.
Very exciting stuff. And you also have different outreach programs active throughout the entire year. Can you tell us about those?
So we just wrapped up our summer wellness program, and this is a free program. It's open to anyone and everyone in the community, and we have free yoga, we have walks on Wednesdays, we have cooking classes, mindfulness, gardening workshops, and so it's just all different ways to promote healthy living for everyone. Yeah.
And how effective are these outreach programs? And you can talk about how many people you tend to be able to help through these outreach programs.
We serve a few thousand people every year in our programs. The program Purnima was just talking about 40 Days to Wellness. We're talking about the results and the impacts at the symposium. So if people want to learn more about the impacts, the results, the benefits of how our programs help people, they should come to the symposium.
Absolutely. Well, ladies, thank you so much for coming in. We talk about Buffalo and different areas being part of a food desert, and there's a lot of Western New Yorkers that face food insecurity, and there's a lot of education that needs to be had about dietary options for them to make sure that they're putting their health forward. So you guys are doing the work in our community, so thank you for that. If you would like to learn more, viewers, about their program and events, you can visit bnmc.org/health and wellbeing. Thanks again for coming in, you two.
Thank you.
Thank you.